Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Rashmika Manawadu and today I'm excited to share how I've contributed to our Anidra Market Research project. I appreciate your patience and I look forward to diving into the details with you shortly. Now let's dive in. I plan to outline my contributions from the beginning of the project all the way to the end. This approach will not only help us track my specific contributions but also provide a clear overview of our entire research project. Let's get started. Our project is named Anidra Market Research, focused on conducting market research in the resident aged care sector. The aim is to help a development team implement the best software for the market, specifically to develop the best health software for Anidra Tech Ventures Private Limited. Our team consists of four members myself, Rashmika, Sajid, Rupali, and Teji. We have been assigned Dr. Venki as our client and Dr. Taiwo as our supervisor. Anidra is a remote patient monitoring company looking to expand into the aged care sector. They hired our team as business analysts to explore opportunities for the developing aged care software. By doing this research, together we save lives by remote monitoring and smart alerts. We conducted research to and focus identify and focus on the current challenges and emerging issues in the residential aged care sector. One of my key contributions to the project was coordinating meetings with our supervisor, Dr. Taiwo. I took the initiative to arrange these meetings using emails and Teams chat, ensuring clear communication and keeping everyone on the same page. This was essential for aligning our goals and progressing smoothly throughout the project. Next, when we began our research on the residential aged care sector, I focused on gathering data to understand this field more deeply. I researched various aspects, including the types of management controlling the sector, existing issues, and how it has developed over time. This comprehensive analysis helped me contribute effectively to our team by creating user stories that aligned with our project roadmap. After presenting our project story dashboard and receiving recommendations from our supervisors, Dr. Taiwo and Dr. Venke, my assigned task for the sprint one was to gather and analyze data on the residential aged care market. So, I explored various factors, including global and local market trends. My research indicated that the overall residential aged care market is indeed growing, both contexts. As we know, this market encompasses several sectors such as home care, clinical care, institutional care, and software providers. My next focus was to determine whether the software market within this sector is also growing, and I found that it is. In this part of the project, I utilized my data analytics skills to create several charts, which you can see on the screen now. I also included these visuals in my market share report and our team's project write-up as well. In a similar vein, during next sprint, I was assigned a backlog item focused on the investment strategy and market analysis. My task involved researching which markets startup companies and providers should be targeting. I also explored how products should align with licensing, subscription models, and more. This phase was primarily about gathering relevant data and information to support our analysis. In the final sprint, we focused on creating our page, which was a key deliverable for attracting investors. For my assigned task, I researched successful pitch decks to gather inspiration. Some of the best pitch decks I found include Buffer Pitch, Mixed Panels, Ria Health, Life Pitch, Oscar Health pitch deck template, Find My Doctor pitch deck, Medable pitch deck. By analyzing these examples, we could present them to our supervisor and our client, Dr. Winke, to gather valuable feedback to refine our own pitch. Additionally, I researched tools for creating the pitch and discovered Canva, which we ended up using. You can see a sample screenshot of our page created in Canva on the screen. The next crucial part of our project was creating the promotional video. Initially, I created two versions of the video. In the first version, I included content about how the software would look if the development team followed our research recommendations. However, after Dr. Wenke's feedback, after having a discussion, it became clear that our focus is solely on the research and not on software development. So, based on this feedback, I revised the video to reflect a completely different approach. I used the Render Forest online platform to create the video and then further customized and edited it using VSDC free video editor. Well, in summary, I believe my three main contributions to this research project were as follows. Handling market share analysis, I verified and gathered key data on local and global market trends in the residential aged care sector. Through this analysis, I discovered that the fastest growing field within this sector is the software provider sector. Next, creating the promotional video. I developed the promotional video, ensuring it aligned with our research focus and effectively communicated our findings. Pitch deck preparation. I played a significant role in preparing the pitch deck, drawing on successful examples to ensure our presentation would resonate with the investors. One of the key takeaways from this project has been the enhancement of my data analytics skills. I learned how to create charts that focus on our main objectives and address specific problems. This experience has significantly improved my data science skill set, particularly in market share analysis, because we had to gather all the raw data from the several websites and we had to create them into the one particular document like the Excel sheet, and we had to create our own graphical representations which we represent all over our presentation and in our pitch deck. And additionally, as we delved deeper into our research, I gained valuable insights into the real world applications of IoT and AI from my colleagues. This collaboration broadened my understanding of how these technologies can be effectively implemented. Importantly, I learned about project management and how to manage each step according to the agile process. Collaborating with team members throughout this process has improved my communication, management, and the leadership skills too. Finally, I do like to provide an overall summary and my feedback regarding this research project, the course, and the subject matter. So, working alongside our supervisor, Dr. Taiwo, and our client, Dr. Wenke, we completed the project with great satisfaction regarding our outcomes. Personally, I believe I have significantly improved my business analytics skills and my ability to work effectively in a team. What I liked most about this project was the opportunity to work with real clients, which provided invaluable real world experience in handling projects using agile methodology. However, one of the biggest challenges was limited availability of publicly accessible data, which sometimes hindered my ability to deliver comprehensive outputs. In order to that, I would like to add this experience has enhanced my communication and presentation skills, allowing me to convey our findings more effectively. That's all for my session today. Thank you all for your time, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.